let's go. It's been like 2 years and I haven't drank before, but I'm drunk now, so.
8 months from the time of this verse, I'm on stage. I came to vibe out and you know how I play. The crowd fixate. Some of you thought I wouldn't be great, but I shut down the night and I'm smiling through the haze. As I'm walking off, I see a kid, he looks like me. No, he relates, his pupils dilate as I'm going by. I tell him have faith. Have faith. Cause 6 months ago I was writing through the pain, ignoring any request to medicate. I'd rather self-destruct than do it as an act of fate. I'm a blood diamond, I belong in a pearly gaze. Well, right now I'm fucking you in your hotel room. I'm living off snow, liquor and good sex. I'm wrestling with faith, I'm wrestling with success. I'm wrestling with addiction to working myself to death. And emotional taxes I can't afford to pay yet. Another one of my dreams came true. Man, fuck this champagne, I want my dead friends back. I wanna fail, I wanna fall, I want what's left of my heart to crack. But they want my soul for the capital like South Korea. But that's my black gold, I learned that shit from Nina. Let me ask you, B, would you trust a flower, doesn't wanna bloom? Would you trust an actor, doesn't wanna act?
Would you trust me?
Would you trust fiction if I said it was fact?
Would you let me be?
I don't believe in heaven.
Your faith.
I want heaven right here. I said I don't believe in heaven. I want heaven right here. The world is on fire, so am I. Light bleeding out this broken heart of mine. I fucked around and stole the shine. The light dimmed, the gin sip memories gon' fade with time. I'm sick of whack niggas trying to tell me how to rhyme. If you were half of me, you'd be arrogant too. But you ain't, so thank God you were born you. Question mediocrity, my answer on cue. And if I could choose, I would've never fallen in love with the blues. My favorite color, my world outside. Shade I see, cover my mother's eyes. I slipped my knot, felt freedom. You said you loved me, I was traumatized. I spilled benediction, swallow music's prescription. That's the antidote for wasted time. But I hide my salvation between your hips, and I hide my soul between your lips, and I hide myself in all of this between gray and white matter where the thoughts eclipse. And as you lay on my bed, just remember, I don't believe